children, how are you all? How are you today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying learning new lessons every day. Are you? Very good. So let's start our day. You know how we start our day. Come on, let's join our hands, close our eyes and say the Gurur Brahma prayer. Okay? Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. After the Gurur Brahma, yes, it's time for the English prayer. And you know the prayer, right? I am special, I am special. God made me, God made me. Someone very special, someone very special. As you can see, as you can see. Okay, children, so let's sing the day rhyme. Which day is it today? Yesterday was Tuesday. So which day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Yes, and I hope you all are having fun learning new concept with us. New themes are coming every week and we are getting to learn so many things. Yes or no? Be good children at home, help your parents and learn new things. Okay children? So now it's time for the weather song. How is the weather today? Weather today, weather today. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy or bright? Are you feeling hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Are you feeling hot or cold? Won't you tell me today? So children, I hope you're even looking out of the window, checking the weather, and by now you know how to see the weather and tell which weather it is today. Okay? Now without any further delay, let's quickly go on to our day's first topic. So we are going to start our day with what? What should we do today? Let's do a picture talk. Children, what do you mean by picture talk? Does a picture talk to you? Is it? I don't think so. Then why do we call it a picture talk? Do you have any idea? I'll tell you. Why do we call it a picture talk? You know why, children? Because when we look at the picture, we are so smart. Babies are so smart. You are very observant also. You'll observe everything and you can tell each and every detail about the picture. Because of this, we learn new things. We explore new things and also we learn new vocabs. What are vocabs? Vocabs are words. New words we learn. If we don't know something in that picture, don't we ask, Mama, what is this? Oh, Papa, what is this? Yes or no? In that way, we are getting to learn new things. Yes? So let's go and do this picture talk. So children, as you all know that today we are doing the picture talk of the beach, right? So can you see here? There is a picture of the beach. And on the beach, what all can you see? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to just observe all that you can see on the beach. Okay, now over here, if it is not clear, we have already sent you the picture. So you can stop the video and go to that picture and zoom in and zoom out and see each and every corner of this particular picture talk. I'll give you 2 minutes to go through it. Please see carefully each and every corner because we are going to do a picture talk on the beach. Okay? This picture talk is on the topic shells. So we all know that shiny shells have come to class, and we all like the different kinds of shells we are getting to see. So in this picture also, if you observe carefully, you can see a lot of different kinds of shells. So I am going to leave you for 2 minutes. You can just check your picture very clearly. Then with teacher, we are just going to observe whatever we can see in this picture. Children, are you enjoying the picture talk? Yes or no? In the picture talk, we get to see and observe a lot of things. When we do a picture talk, we also come to know new words. Yes or no? And our observation skills. Sometimes if teacher is not able to see everything, you are such smart children. You all are noticing so many new things. So when you notice anything new, what teacher has not told, you can mention that to your parents. And after you have done your picture talk, discuss it with your parents, and your parents can just, your mama or your papa can just write all that you have seen. Something new, something nice. Yes, and then when we are back in school, teacher is going to call for all these things, and then you can get it to school, and then you'll see. And I would love to see what all different things you observed in this picture talk. Okay, so just see carefully, and in a second we will start our picture talk. Okay, so now have you seen this? Let's start with our picture talk. So children, the picture. Yes, it's a scene of the beach. Okay, what is a beach actually? Beach is the place where the sea touches the land, and that land is covered with sand. That part is called the beach, as we can see here. So can you see here? This is the sand area, and here is the sea. Okay, so this is a scene of a seaside or a beach. Now in this picture, how many children are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children on the beach. There are 5 children on the beach. And how do these children look? Are they looking sad? No, they are looking very happy. They are looking very happy. All of them are smiling. All of them are smiling. And when are you happy? Yes, when you get what you like. That makes you happy. So when you go out on a picnic, that also makes you happy. So it looks like these children are having a fun time on the beach. Now let's see what other things we can see on the beach. I'll tell you something. I can see 2 coconut trees on the beach. And normally, you always find the coconut trees on the beach. Now let's look carefully. What else is there on the beach? I can see something. And I'm sure y'all also are seeing that. What do you think these are? They look hard. Yes, they are rocks. They are rocks. Sometimes there are big rocks or boulders which are found on the beach, and I can see here so many rocks. Yes or no? Can you see them? Yes. What else? Let's look a little bit closer. Let's see. Let's look at this boy. What is this boy doing? What does he have in his hand? He's very happy. You know the reason why? Why this child is very happy? He's very happy because he has found not 1 but 2 shells, and he's coming running to show his friend. Okay, look, what have I found? I have found 2 shells. Yes. And let's see, look at this girl over here. Look at this girl over here. What is she doing? Yes, she is ready with her float and her swimming costume that she's worn, and she's worn a float around. And I think she is ready to go into the sea. Let's go further down and look at this girl out here. Oh, she's found a golden color shell and she's looking very, very happy with a big smile on her face. And what is she wearing around her neck? Looks like she has also got a shell necklace. A pretty shell necklace. You know, children, when you go at the beach, or when you go to the beach, near the beach you'll find many stalls selling things made out of shells. So looks like this girl has bought something like a necklace made out of shell. Let's go further and look at this boy. What is this boy doing? He has found an orange color shell and he's running towards his friend to show them. Children, so let's help that girl to count the shells. Are you ready? Would you like to help me count them? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Wow, lots of shells on the beach, I would say. 21 shells. So we help the girl count the shells. Yes, isn't it? Now children, I can see one more thing on the beach. Actually not on the beach but in the water. Can you see that too? Yes, you're right. There is a sailboat. What is this? A sailboat. You know children, why is it called a sailboat? Because it has this triangular shaped cloth which helps it to sail in the sea. This cloth piece is called a sail. Okay, so that's a sailboat. Okay children, so I hope you like the picture talk on shells. And this picture talk was, the scene is of the beach. Right now children, we can't go to the beach. We know that right now the condition is not that we can go out, we can play. So we have to be in the house. But things will definitely get better soon. And the day we can go to the beach, one day, that day we'll go with our parents and we too will observe whatever we can see on the beach. Like here you can see the scene of the beach. When we go actually to the beach, there are many things we can see. So children, enjoy doing the picture talk with your mama or your papa, whoever has the time. But do not insist they do it right now. They are also doing some work. So we will work with them and we'll help them also, because you all are good children, right? So till then you can just take the picture and remember all that you have seen. So when mama and papa are free, you can tell them, oh mama, papa, see, I saw this in the picture, I saw that in the picture. And then mama and papa will write all those things on the piece of paper. And once when you will be able to come to school, you'll get all these things. And then teachers would like to read what all you observed. Because you all are such smart children. Teacher might have forgotten some things, but you all are so good and so observant. I'm sure you're going to notice something more. So do this picture talk at home and tell us what all you saw at the beach in this picture talk about shells. As our theme topic right now, which is going on, is shiny shells. And where do you find shells? Lots of shells. You find them on the beach. So this picture talk was on shells, and we saw different kinds of shells in different colors, different shapes, and we saw how happy the children were to be on the beach and to collect them all. So children, enjoy doing this picture talk with your mama and papa. Okay? Okay children, so did you enjoy the picture talk? I'm sure you did. And now we are very tired, right? After sitting and observing. So let's take a slight teeny mini break and listen to a conch. Do you have a conch at home? A conch is a shell like this, a shunk. Yes, remember I told you when we introduced the topic of shell. Now if you don't have, it's okay, because I have a nice song for you. You can at least learn that song about listening to the shells. So I'm going to listen to my conch and you go and listen to this nice song. After which we'll do one quick easy peasy worksheet. Okay? Bye-bye.
Upon the shore I found a shell, I held it to my ear. I listened gladly while it sang a sea song sweet and clear. Blue, blue, a sea song sweet and clear. Upon the shore I found a shell, I held it to my ear. I listened gladly while it sang a sea song sweet and clear. Blue, blue, a sea song sweet and clear.
Hello children. So it's worksheet time. Can you see here what all is this? Yes, these are shell. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these shells are very sad. You know why? Because they want to go in the sand. They want to go in the beach. But they can't go because they don't know how to go. They don't know the path. They're asking my nursery babies to help them. So can you see the sand dune here? And the shell is here. The shell is here, the sand dune is here. And it wants to go to the sand. So will you all help them to reach the sand? And what is this line called? Come on, tell me. We have done this. What is it called? Yes, it's called the sleeping line. And where we have to start the sleeping line from? You have to start it from the shell and take it to the sand. Start from the shell because there's an arrow also, children. See here. Can you see here? There's a small little teeny mini arrow. So let's start our worksheet now. Right now we did a picture talk on the beach. Yes. Now these shells are feeling very sad because they are left here. They also want to go to the beach. So we will help them to reach the beach. So let's go. We will start. I'm taking a dark green color crayon today so that you all can see nicely. Any dark color crayon will do. Okay. So hold your crayon how? Now I'm not going to repeat. You all know it very well. In the 3 fingers, tripod grip. We start from the shell. We join the dashes and nicely, very, very slowly, because we want a nice sleeping line. We don't want to go up or we don't want to go down. We want to go straight. And here we reach the sand dune. One down. Can you see how teacher has done it? In the same way you are going to do it. So one over. Let's go to the second shell. That is also waiting for us. Come on. Slowly, slowly, very, very slowly we will join the dots and make our sleeping line. Done. 1, 2. Is it over? Can we finish it like that? Oh, if you're tired, you can stop for some time. But we have to do all because the other shells will become sad otherwise. If you only take 2 shells and you leave the other ones, they'll become sad. We don't want to make them sad, right? So let's go. Can we do the last one first? No, we have to go in order. 1, 2. So now we go to the third one. Let's take the third one. Very, very slowly, very, very gently, joining the dashes. We go straight, 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 and make a sleeping line to the sand. Now we finished 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth one. Let's make them happy. We want all the shells to be happy. And the nursery babies are so good. They always like to help. Don't you like to help, children? So let's help all the shells. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Let's quickly finish this one also and make him so happy. Slowly, slowly joining the dashes, we make our last sleeping line. And now done. Now can you see, children? All the shells are very happy because my nursery babies are so good that they made all the shells reach the sand. And when you do it so nicely, what will you get? Mama will give you a nice star out here. Okay? So children, do this worksheet and ask your mama to click a pic and send it to you. If you can't do it in one go, do 2. Take a break. Do the other 2. Take a break and do the last one. But do not leave any of the shells, otherwise they will get sad. Okay? Bye-bye.